Myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about map and reduce function. Okay, so first we start with map function. For every element present in a given sequence, apply some functionality and generate new element with the required modification. For this requirement we should go for a map function. So map function is a use to modify all element of a given sequence. Example, for every element present in the list, perform double. It means it generates new list which contain double of all element. Okay, for example, there is a one list L. It contains three element 1, 2, 3. And now we apply map function on this list, and if we double all element, then L1 contain 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So we apply this map function on every element of sequence. Okay. Now syntax of map function, that is map, then in the parenthesis function and sequence. The function can be applied on each element of sequence and generate new sequence. Now example number 1 of map function. Write a program to create a lambda function to find square of a given number. Okay, there is a lambda function and we have to find out square of a given number. So without lambda function, now this program we solve by two ways: without lambda function and with lambda function. Okay. Now without lambda, L is equal to, it contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a one list. Then def double it. This def, that is one type of keyword that is used for representing function. Then double it, that is name of function, and x, that is argument. Then return 2 into x. It means double argument 2 into x. Now L1, that is equal to list, and there is a map function use map, and in the parenthesis double it means function, and L, that is sequence. So what is syntax of map? Map and in the parenthesis function and sequence. Here function is double it and sequence is L. Okay. Then print out L1. So if we print out L1, then answer is 2, because 1 into 2, that is 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 into 2, that is 6, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 2, 10. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So without lambda, first we discuss without lambda, L, that is one type of list, then def double it and in the bracket x, def, that is keyword, and double it function name. Now it return 2 into x. Then L1, that is list, and in the bracket map function is used, and in map function is double it and sequence is L. So apply double it function on every element of L and we get list of L1. So then print out L1. So if we run this program, then output is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now same problem we discuss with lambda function. We know that lambda function is used to increase readability of program. We write in a simple way. Okay. So L, that is one type of list, then L1, that is list, and map function is used. Inside the map function, there is a lambda function. We know that lambda, that is one type of keyword which is used to represent lambda function, and x, that is argument, and 2 into x, it is expression. So this is all about lambda function, and sequence is L. So apply lambda function on every element of L. It means double every element of L. Then we get L1, and then print L1. So if we run this program, then output is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is with lambda function. Now the same program we run in a PyCharm. So with lambda, so L, that is one type of list, then L1, this is list, map and lambda function, and print L1. So this is by using lambda function. So if we run this program, then output that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Same. So we solve this problem by without lambda function and with lambda function. Okay. Now example number 2, to find square of a given number. So L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and L1 another list, that is equal to list, and inside the list map function, inside the map function lambda function. This is lambda function, and sequence is L. So apply lambda function on every element of L. Then we get L1, and then print L1. So we get output 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. This is square of every element of L. Now the same problem we run in a PyCharm. So L, then L1, and print L1. So if we run this program, then L1 output is 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. It means it is square of every element of L, because L contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's square 1, 1 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 3, 3 into 3, 4, 4 into 4, 5, 5 into 5. Okay. We can apply map function on multiple lists also, but make sure that all lists should have same length. It means element of list 1 and 2 equal. Now syntax for two list, that is map, and inside the lambda function lambda x y and expression x into y, then L1 and L2. Now here x is from L1 and y is from L2. So multiply first element of L1 and first element of L2, second element of L1 and second element of L2, and so on. Okay. Now for this concept, example number 3, L1, that is one type of list, L2, that is one type of list, then L3, that is equal to list, inside the list map function, inside the map function lambda x and y, and expression x into y, and there are two lists in sequence L1 and L2. So if there are two lists in sequence, then first element from L1, second element from L2. So if we print this L3, then we get 2, 6, 12, 20, because 1 into 2, this is 2, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 5, 20. Okay. Now this same problem we run in a PyCharm. So same one, L1, L2, these are two given list, then L3 and print L3. So if we run this problem, then output of this program, that is 2, 6, 12, and 20. Now next one, that is reduce function. So reduce function reduce sequence of elements into a single element by applying the specified function. Okay. And syntax of reduce function, reduce in the parenthesis function and sequence. So reduce function reduce sequence of elements into a single element by applying some specific function. Okay. And reduce function present in a functool module, and hence we should write import statement to import from functool. Okay. Example number 1 for reduce function, from functool import star. It means import everything from functool. Now L, that is one type of list, then result is equal to reduce in the parenthesis lambda x y and expression x plus y and list, that is sequence. So first element and second element, addition of first and second element, then addition of third element, then addition of fourth element, then addition of fifth element. So all this sequence reduce into single element and print result. So if we run this problem, then output, that is 150. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So from functool import star, it means import everything. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Result is equal to reduce, and in the bracket lambda x y and expression x plus y and L, that is one type of sequence, then print result. So if we run this program, then output, that is 150. It is addition of all element of list one by one. Okay. Then example number 2, from functool import star, it means import everything. L, that is one type of list, then result is equal to reduce, and in the parenthesis lambda x y and expression x into y in sequence L. So it means multiply first element with second, then multiply with third, then multiply with 4, then multiply with 5. So multiply all element of list, then output is result. So if we print result, then output is 12000000. Then example number 3, from functool import star. Now result is equal to reduce, and in the parenthesis lambda x y, then x plus y, this is expression, and sequence is range from 1 to 101. It means 1 2 3 4 up to 101, but 101 not included. Okay. So print result, then output is 5050. It means summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 101. It means plus 99 plus 100, but 101 not included. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same problem. Now if we run this program, then output, that is 5050. So this is about today lecture. In today lecture, we discuss about map and reduce function. What is use of map function? Map function apply on every element of list and we get modified sequence. And what is function of this reduce function? Reduce function reduce sequence into a single element. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.